In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create and format a cool looking lollipop chart in Excel with ease like what you see right here. So first, to make the graph, highlight the range of data that you want to make the graph from, in this example being the revenue for these different items. Now, from here, you're going to want to go to the Insert tab. You're going to want to go towards the middle where it says Recommended Charts. Click on Recommended Charts. And then from here, you're going to want to click on All Charts. We're going to want to insert a line chart with markers by clicking on Line. And then the version with markers is in the middle right here, Line with markers. Click on that and then click OK. And from here, we're going to use some cool formatting tricks to get this chart to be a lollipop chart. So first, we're going to go through and add in the vertical bits of our lollipop by clicking on the graph, going to chart design, and then all the way to the left, we're going to want to click on add chart element and click on line, hover over line, click on drop line like so. Now we're going to format the line with markers to be the kind of top part of our lollipop by clicking on the line, right-clicking on it, and then click on Format Data Series, where from here, we're going to want to make sure we're clicked on this little fill bucket right here, and we're going to format first the line by just kind of getting rid of it by clicking on No Line. And from here, we're going to then make the marker look bigger, so that way it kind of looks like the top part of our lollipop. To do this, we're going to want to scroll down and then adjust the width like so from 0.75, which is default, to call it 7.5, for example. And we can adjust the color by clicking on the color right above, a couple bits above, and having the color be a dark green, for example, instead of blue. Note there is a lot of customization that I can do right here to make it what you want, from varying the color by a point to changing the shape of the marker to changing the border of the marker, adding an arrow, making it more transparent. You can really make this your own, but for this example, I just made it larger. Now, from here, we're going to want to make the base of the lollipop more look like a stick of lollipop by clicking on it and right-clicking on it and click on Format Drop Line, where you'll see a similar menu pop up. From here, we're going to want to be on the Fill bucket right here. We're going to want to make the width a bit thicker. In this example, I'm going to just click the up arrow until I see what I like roughly. And we're going to change the color to be a light green, for example, by clicking on the color and having it be lighter green. Note, same thing with the marker. There's a lot of formatting options that you can do to really make this your own. By, for example, you can adjust the compound type. You can adjust the dash type. You can really do whatever you want to do to really make this your own. You can add arrows if you want to, just transparency. But for this example, I just made it a bit thicker. And from here, we're going to then remove these little axis lines right here by clicking on it, clicking on delete. And the last couple bits to really get this to be like what you saw at the start of the video, we're going to click on this plus piece right here, add a data label by clicking on that box, and then removing the vertical axis by right-click on it, and click on it, just pressing delete. And then adding a title, just going to call this revenue by product, for example. And there you have it, a lollipop chart. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.